If anyone who brought prasad to offer the Lord Ganesha or to any of the other monkeys, they are welcome to do so now while the group will chant a bhajan.
You all know in Bhagavad Gita the line comes, Tame Mata Cha Pita Tame Bandhu Cha Sakha. So who are Pitras? Your parents today, after some time they leave their body. After some time you all will also lose your body. When you will lose your body or leave your body, then what you will become? Pitra. The moment you are leaving this body, all your desires are not fulfilled. You want to see many things in proper shape. Suppose your kids are very small, they are suffering, they are not able to sustain themselves. Your desire will be there to protect, to help them. But you are helpless, you have to leave your body. Premature death. So all your these wishes and desires will be with you. This body is composed of astral body, casual body, physical body. There are 5 levels of body. Out of all these, the casual body is different, astral body is different. All your desires are in that astral body. Got it or not? Because of those desires only, you will be hunting here and there. जिसको हम लोग भूत प्रेत या haunted soul बोलते हैं. So those haunted things should be satisfied first. And in Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna is praying, Tamadi Deva Purusha Purana Tamasya Vishwas Paramidhana, like that. And he said, Pita Prapita Mahasya Tumeva. God, you are all. So we should try to give respect to all. If we are not giving respect to our living parents, we can never give respect to our dead parents, and we will never think of our grandparents. In Pitrus, there are different categories. How the Pitrus behave? Exactly in the same way the way we behave, and the same way the deities behave. Yatha dehe tatha deve. Whatever rule applies to your physical body, same rule applies to your deities also, and the same rule applies to your ancestors also. Now, for example, suppose here are many deities, except Hanumanji. Hanumanji is still alive. Others have left body. So what they became? They are somewhere, not they are not there. Krishna left body or not? Say? Yes. So he is there or not? If he is not there, why we are praying? It means we are full. And if he is there, how he is there? How he can help us? And the way which he can help us, in the same way your ancestors can help you. Got the point or not? Not going into big discussions, because there is no end to discussions. So, haunted Pitras must be satisfied. If somebody wants help from you, so you must be in a commanding position to help. Only then you can help. So, for that we need 3 basic things: Tushti, Pushti and Santushti. Tushti means, hey, I am satisfied with you. Unless I am satisfied with you, I will not give anything to you. First thing. If your wife is not happy with your wife, she will not give you tea. Go on crying, shouting. And the more you will shout, she will say, today I will not make tea at all. I am going to my mother's house. Then what you will do? You cannot force anybody. Tushti, the person must be satisfied. Pushti, he must be strong enough. Suppose wife is on the bed, not well, and you are going on, hey, bring tea, she cannot, because she is helpless. So pushti is a must. Pushti means being very strong. Tushti, pushti, santushti. There is a small difference between santushti and tushti. Suppose I am hungry, you gave me something to eat. Little satisfied. Not well satisfied. Little. I can hold for some time. But if I am over satisfied, then I will, And when the moment you say, it means all blessing is pouring on you. This is a posture. That's why Brahmins are well fed in India and everywhere. How much we try to feed the Brahmins, so that he says, okay. Like Ganesh ji, Yajman, take one more laddu. Pandit ji, no, done. Please, now $100 for one laddu. He will say, $100 for laddu? Let one come. Then, $1,000 for one laddu. Oh. Then he will do some. $1,000. Okay. Finally, at one level, he says, no. I am very, very much satisfied. Hey, come close. He will pat on you. It means you got all blessings. It is the way. Pusti, tusti, santusti. So how can make our pitras tust? By offering them water first. But everybody needs water immediately. Why? When you are coming from any travel, immediately we will ask, hey, water, please, water. Then something to eat. Pitras also need same. Then some cloth to wear. Then complete having a good shower bath. Same. What I am telling, same thing applies everywhere to deities, to pitras, to you also. So, pusti, tusti, santusti, offer 15 days water to your pitras. At least offer water, if you can't offer all. And about pitras, the impact of that, I am telling. One example Sampath gave you. In my life, I have seen lakhs and lakhs of people with suffering with all this. And for the last 25 years or so, at our ashram in Bombay, we are every year keeping program of Pitra Mukti. For 15 days that goes on. Sankalp is taken for everybody's name, for their Pitras. Pitras are invoked on Rudraksh seats, kept there, and 15 days offering of water by many priests doing havan and serving foods to others. And last week we go for Bhagavad and other things also. Because by Bhagavad they get some satisfaction. By chanting of Guru Gita for our Pitras, they get some satisfaction. By offering water in the root of a people tree. I was just bothering yesterday how to tell them, because hardly you can find any people tree here. Some places you may find, but you can select this maple tree. I personally tested the power of maple tree. Whatever benefits you can get from people, more or less same benefits you can get from maple. That is people, this is maple. Not big difference. Personally, I experimented with all these things. So, in front of every house here in Canada, especially maple tree is there. So, think that it is your people tree. Invoke your ancestors there. Always give water along with little milk. Burn some ghee lamp, fragrance, agarbatti, dhoop, and something to eat. Okay? Ants or other things will come and eat. And squirrels also they come, and crows also may come. So, anything may happen. Don't worry about that. In the name of your ancestors. Do this, chant Guru Gita or chant Bhagavad Gita or any spiritual book, whatever you love. Maybe Ramayana, maybe anything. Okay? But Sankalp is to be taken. This I am doing for the benefit of my Pitras, not for me. If I am reading this Ramayana, this I am reading for me. If I take Sankalp, I am reading for you, then Sankalp means the benefit will go to you. When a priest is doing worship, nothing goes to the priest. He gets only money, Dakshina part. The Punya goes to Yajman. It's not that the priest will think, I am getting both benefits. Not possible. So you have to take Sankalp that to appease our Pitras, we are doing this system. Chanting of Guru Gita is on the top, Bhagavad Gita, and then you have to chant Durga Saptati. Few slokas are complete book. Now you may ask, why Guruji? Nobody told to chant Durga Saptati. I am telling you, all I have experimented. I have seen Pitras getting energy, how they get energy. Because Durga Saptati belongs to energy form, Shakti. And without that Shakti, your Pitras may not be powerful. They may be satisfied, they may be not hungry, they may be not thirsty. But what about energy part? Energy part comes only through Durga Saptati. So try practicing all these. Make yourself in such a routine. 15 days you go on worshipping your Pitras. And at that time, any puja doing to any deity, it doesn't go to them, it all goes to Pitras only. During this period, even the deities appear in form of Pitra. In Bhagavad Gita, it's very clearly mentioned, Aryama Pitranam, Aryama Pitroham. When in Vibhuti Yoga he is telling that I am Ganga, I am Gayatri Mantra, I am this, then he says, Aham Aryama. Aryama is the name of the head of department of all the Pitras. So go on chanting mantra, Klim Aryama Pitra, Klim Nama, Klim Aryama Pitra, Klim Nama, Klim Aryama Pitra, Klim Nama. For all the 16 days actually, not 15 only, because this starts from moon only. Purnima se start ho jata hai, till Amavasya. Go on doing this. And during Pitru Paksha, always remember, Pitras come into your house through form of some physical body. Any guest coming to you, to your place, to your house, definitely Pitras will be coming through that guest. So for these 16 days, go on feeding everybody whosoever comes to your house. Don't worry for expense. Because 16 days, if you are feeding something to all guests, budget will be up. But never worry. Atithi Devo Bhava. Matri Devo Bhava. What is the meaning? Think mother as deity. Tameo Mata. Atithi Devo Bhava. All guests should be welcome like deities. And during these 15 days, only Pitras will come to your house to eat through somebody. You are asking a priest to come to your house and eat food during Pitras. And if somebody else comes, then why you are not thinking that Pitras come in that form also? God and Pitra may come in any form to your house during these 16 days. So take care. And these 16 days you should live in a very spiritualized manner and never ignore. And whatever you cook in your house must be served to Pitras first. Without serving them, you cannot eat anything. In the morning you are making tea, offer to Pitras first, then you take the tea. Okay? So this system if you follow, it means you cannot make non-veg items because Pitras will not love that item. In the spiritual field, but somebody's Pitras was always eating same thing, then you can offer that at separate place. But don't cook all these things your Annapurna section. You know what is Annapurna? Annapurne Sada Purne Sankar Pran Ballave. Seed is the life force of Lord Shiva, Annapurna. And kitchen areas, again I am telling this Annapurna. Try to respect all the ladies. Many more things are there, but for Pitras, follow this practice. And if some person sees snakes in dream, it means there is Pitra dosa in their house. With guarantee. There are 5 symptoms of Pitra dosa in your family. Number 1, whatever you do, there will be always shortage of money in your house. Shortage of money. Second thing, no peace will be, always quarrel in the house. Third thing, you will see scary dreams, especially snakes and other things, scary dreams. Definitely there will be premature death in family. Understood? Abortions. These all things represent Pitri dosh. And no work will be successful easily. Everywhere you will find harder places, very strong difficulties coming at every stage of life. So if these symptoms are there, think that Pitra dosh is there. And this dosh is always in every house. And this is being represented in horoscope by position of Rahu and Ketu. This is represented by Kalsarp also. So think about all these things, try to do rectification and practice on every Amavasya for at least 1 year. Do Guru Gita chanting, offer something to your Pitras for 1 year, then you see gradually a lot of things will change in your life. I think now I must conclude. Let's all say Baglamukhi Mata ki Jai. My ruling deity is out of 10 Mahavidyas, Baglamukhi, which was prayed by Lord Vishnu, and she removes all the obstacles, including your Pitra dosh also. Take Baglamukhi mantra, chant that mantra, Om Hlim Bagle Panamesri, Mam Pitra Dosan Nivara, she will remove all Pitra dosas. All enemies, all obstacles, all badhas, everything can be removed by prayer of Divine Mother Baglamukhi. And Vishnu always prays her only. So my blessings everybody. You all listen so smartly and so happily. And again, thanks to all these members and committee members, especially the priests. I love them all. So my blessings again and again to all of you. Any help needed from my side, meet me, talk me, mail me, give me WhatsApp, give me a call, definitely I will help you. Whenever you come to Bombay, come to our place, and whenever you want to go to Gaya for any Pitra function, contact me. I have centers in Gaya also. Okay?